Hey everyone, and welcome to a delicious adventure around the world. Today we're taking a trip to explore the fascinating world of global eating customs. Have you ever wondered why we use forks and knives, while other cultures might use chopsticks, or even their hands? Well, if you're ready, let's find out. Throughout history, cultures have developed unique ways to enjoy their food. Let's dive into some of the most interesting examples. We're probably most familiar with good old forks and knives. But did you know it wasn't always this way? In the Western Hemisphere, for centuries, people actually ate with their hands. But over time, things changed. People became more concerned about hygiene, and food textures changed too. Using utensils became a sign of being polite and civilized. Now let's travel to East Asia. In countries like China, Japan, Korea, and Vietnam, chopsticks are the utensil of choice. These sleek tools are perfect for picking up small pieces of food, slurping noodles, and enjoying delicious rice bowls. Interestingly, chopsticks have been around for thousands of years. Back then, bamboo was readily available, making them a natural choice. But not all chopstick users are created equal. In South Korea, Singapore, and some parts of Malaysia, while chopsticks are the main stars, a trusty spoon also joins the party. These cultures enjoy many small side dishes alongside their main course, and often have soup along with the meal. Spoons come in handy for scooping up rice and delicious soups. It's also fun to balance your noodles on a spoon before popping them into your mouth. But mostly it's all about practicality. You have the right tool for the right job. Now let's head south of the border to Mexico. Here, tortillas are more than just delicious food. They're edible utensils too. You can scoop, wrap, or tear warm tortillas to enjoy stews, beans, and all sorts of tasty fillings. This style of eating also promotes a sense of community, as everyone gathers around a central plate to share their food. Ever heard of a utensil you can eat? In Ethiopia, injera is a spongy flatbread made from teff flour. It serves double duty. It's both a plate for food and a way to scoop it up. This unique approach lets you enjoy the full flavor and texture of the food, adding a whole new dimension to the dining experience. While forks are pretty common worldwide, Italy takes things to a whole new level with their pasta twirling skills. Have you ever wondered why they spin spaghetti around their fork? It's all about those long, delicious noodles. Twirling helps gather them neatly, ensuring every bite is perfectly coated with that yummy sauce. It's a technique that reflects the Italian love of food and the joy of eating. Many South Asian and Middle Eastern cultures have a deep tradition of eating with their right hand. Breads like naan and rice are staples, easily shaped and scooped to enjoy curries and other flavorful dishes. This custom has historical roots, religious influences, and even ideas about cleanliness. It's a reminder that eating customs can be deeply connected to a culture's traditions and beliefs. So there you have it. From forks and chopsticks to edible plates and masterful twirling, we've explored some incredible ways people eat around the world. Remember, there's no single right way to enjoy food. Every culture has developed its own unique customs. And that's what makes the world of food so exciting. So the next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to appreciate the delicious food and the interesting way you're enjoying it. Who knows, maybe you'll even try a new cuisine and discover a whole new way to eat. Thanks for joining us for this look at dining culture. We hope there's plenty on your plate today, and that you find it delicious. Till next time.